So today I'm reviewing these tea products and I'm going to show you guys how it looks, what you get when you buy this. It's the OSULLOC Premium Tea Collection assortment of premium tea bags with a variety of flavors. It comes with 40 tea bags, 10 tea sets, for each. And this is how it looks. And back here it has all the names and the nutrients, and of course let me check real quick. Everything's zero. Some of them has some calcium, iron, or potassium. You have to look at them, but it's not a lot. It's like 20 grams, 20 milligrams, not grams. Sorry, they're all milligrams. And right here it has the ingredients in the back as well, like for what's inside everything. And the ones that are in bold are the name of the tea bags and then the ingredients listed. So this is what you get when you open it, and I really like how it's all labeled. You get Jeju pure green tea, honey pear tea, peach black tea, Sunda tangerine tea, Jeju camellia tea, Maran glaze black tea, Yuja Earl Grey, peach. I never say that word correctly. Kamio, I think, and sweet hibiscus and fig chocolate black tea. So I've already tried one of them. I tried, which one was it? The honey pear tea was so good. And right here, it has the tasting notes here if you want to see. And I really like that because a lot of tea bags don't really, the ones that I buy don't really show that. And they're really nice, easy to use, especially like if you're a tea person in the morning and you get tired and want to try different types of teas, but don't want to have so many boxes of different tea options. This is like the best for you because then you can see what you like and maybe experience a new tea that you might become obsessed with.